वेलकम बैक, इट्स ज्योति। क्या चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? चल रहा है, चल रहा है। इंस्टेड ऑफ चल रहा है, वी विल नाउ से क्या चल रहा है। थैंक्स सीधमौत। But yeah, here we are. Who would have thunk? Karan Aujla meets Ed Sheeran. Actually, it's now Ed is just like one song away from getting his Aadhaar card, right? Just tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I am wrong. पूरी की पूरी रीमिक्स ईपी या जो भी है, आई डोंट नो, वो ही है ना ईपी का पूरा प्ले द remixes. Let me click here and see how many of those remixes are with Indian artists. I think they all are. One second. It's opening, guys. 1 second. I think all, no? First is Symmetry with Karan. Then Hanuman Kind. Arijit Sapphire to humne sun liya, aur Jonita. Very nice. See, it's an Indian remix EP. Now, when I saw it on Instagram, this post, I mean, first I heard that Karan Aujla is going to be collabing with Ed. I was very excited. And then I saw the little things that were releasing here and there. And then I saw this EP which said play the remixes. So it's basically his already existing songs that he has done remixes to. And that is a very good way to enter a new market. I mean, a lot of international collabs and all, we were just discussing in my last Real Talk episode कि ये ही होता है, और बाहर के आर्टिस्ट जब इंडिया आते हैं और अपने आप को थोड़ा और रिलेटेबल बनाने के लिए या तो वो लोकल आर्टिस्ट के साथ कोलैब करते हैं ब्रांड न्यू सॉन्ग पे, या अपने ही एग्जिस्टिंग सॉन्ग का रीमिक्स बना देते हैं, और वो लेबल या तो सिर्फ लोकल आर्टिस्ट के थ्रू रीमिक्स बनाता है या एक्चुअली दोनों आर्टिस्ट मिलके उस पे काम करते हैं और रीमिक्स बनाते हैं। तो वही हो रहा है यहाँ पे। And I don't know how I feel about that, honestly. I mean, Karan is huge in the world. I mean, Ed is obviously Ed, but I wish they had created a whole new song, you know, instead of remixing an existing Ed track. I think that would have been more exciting for me personally as a Aujla fan and as an Ed fan. Ed Sheeran the complete collection है उनके Spotify पे. Complete collection means सब कुछ along with the remixes. Oh, the complete plus minus divide सब है इसमें, है ना? The complete collection. Interesting. So he's taking all his songs and he's going emerging market by emerging market. Africa, this, that, Asia. He's going everywhere with his songs. लाओ मेरे पास लाओ इस कंट्री के और इस रीजन के सबसे बड़े आर्टिस्ट, और through them I will, but I think it's good. I don't know, it's a good thing business angle say for all the parties. As a fan, for me, I just wish it was a brand new song. Okay, chalo, all that said, let's just get into this. It has, I think, Quick Style, if I'm not mistaken, in the video. Ed Sheeran management is grumpy old management. Can I join? I fall into that category. Karan Aujla manager Deep Rehan. Hey Deep. Okay. Director Liam Pethick. Connor Gold. Choreography Quick Style. Lovely. We always like to see that. What else? Lyrics are here. And let's get into it. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
I don't know where you've been, crack the code of feeling we belong to silhouettes just touching skin. This is how it begins. Keep me awake till darkness turns into day. Here I don't care about time, just give me your night. We're making a painting, a candlestick or two faces. Put your heart into mine, just give me your light. Symmetry. Symmetry. ਆਪੇ ਓੜੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਲੜ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਆ ਪਛਤਾਉਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ, ਕਮਲੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੁੜਤੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ, ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਵੇ ਯਾਦ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਰਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ, ਸੁਪਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਆਵੇਂ ਬਸ ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੌਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਤਾਰੇ ਨਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਰੁਕ ਜੇ ਹਵਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਿਵਾ
Nice.
ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਨੈਣਾ ਮੈਨਾ ਬਿਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਦੱਸ ਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਿਵਾ Symmetry Symmetry ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਲਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਭਰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਡਰਦੀ ਟੁੱਟਣੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਰ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਡਰਦਾ ਲੋਕ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਦਿਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਜਾ ਆ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਹੋਵਾਂ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ
Aw.
ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹਟਾ ਲਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਟਦੀ ਮਹੀਆਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਸੱਤ ਰੱਟਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਜੱਟ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਮਿੰਟ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਟਦੀ ਕਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਿਨ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਾ ਦਸੇ ਵੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਲੱਗੀ ਜੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੂੰਹ ਨਾ ਦਸੇ ਵੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਵੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਦਸੇ ਮੈਂ ਨਾ ਰਹਾ ਜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਦਸੇ Keep me awake till darkness turns into day Here I don't care about time Just give me your night We're making a painting a candlestick or two faces Put your heart into mine Just give me your night Symmetry 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 Symmetry
Okay, I loved it. Didn't start liking it, but I ended up loving it. I'll tell you why. And correct me if I say this wrong, but when Karan Aujla enters the song, ahaha, swad aa gaya. That is when it started to pick up for me. Otherwise, it was going as, and I don't react or listen to a lot of Ed offline, and obviously I don't react to a lot of Ed songs. But come on, come on. Did you not hear? Did you not feel? I mean, the vibes, man. The vibes entered the room once Karan started. I'm just saying. And then it just went from there. And of course, Ed singing in, I think he's done it even in Sapphire with the Arijit track, but continuing here and singing the lines in Punjabi and then not messing up the pronunciation and the accent and all of that was just, it was so much fun. It was so cute. And I love that they did that. I love that they structured it that way. I just feel like, is it just me or is Punjabi pop way cooler than English pop? I'm just saying, I'm going to put the thought out there. Y'all do what you want with it. I think that Punjabi pop is unmatched. It has always been for me personally. I have just always, but now when you see two of the biggest acts in their respective scenes come together, I think the Punjabi just took over, man. It did. And then he had, because like you started with the original song with Ed's bit, and then you went into all the new verses with Karan, the vibes, even the musicality and the kind of switch in the beat or the pacing up of the beat and all that happened. And then you ended, of course, with a bit of the original stuff in English. But the vibes were already set. So that's what I'm saying. Like this was, theek hai, chal raha hai. Boom. It went up for me right there. It took off and then it stayed in that zone. After that, it never dipped again. And this is just me after listening to it one time. Maybe I'll feel differently if I loop the track. But I'm not even kidding. It was the Karan bit that lifted the song. I don't know where you've been. Crack the core of feeling. We're alone to silver, just touching you. That's how it begins. Keep me awake till darkness. Okay, all that happens. Symmetry. वो जो part था, वो थोड़ा short रखना था. And then आपे ओ अड़ियाँ कर लड़ के आ पछताਉਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਮਲੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੁਰਤੇ ਨੂੰ ਘੁੱਟ ਕੇ ਗਲ ਨਾਲ ਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਵੇ ਯਾਦ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਾਂ ਨਾ ਕਰਾਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੂੰ ਆਵੇ ਬਸ ਐਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਸੌਂਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ this guy is too cute. I'm sorry, but it is. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਤਾਰੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਨਾ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਰੁਕ ਜੇ ਹਵਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਿਵਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਏ ਨੈਣਾ ਨੈਣਾ ਨਾ the only thing I wish is that Ojla's vocal treatment, I wish they had थोड़ा सा कम, उसकी original आवाज थोड़ी और आती है इसमें थोड़ा सा वो auto tune not or whatever treatment it was, maybe not, I don't know what it's called, but वो थोड़ा कम होता. But ठीक है, for the overall like sonic of the song. They must have maintained that, but his original sort of vocal texture and all that is what I love. So that bit, but didn't really feel much. But I'm just nitpicking now. Kendi and Naina, Naina bin tere rehna, daste unki kara tere seva. That's too cute. Symmetry, symmetry. Jinna bhi milna, Kendi dil nahi bharda, मैं दर्दी टूटने तो पर दिल नहीं डरदा, वे गल्ला दिल लिया करजा मेरे ना तेरे तो दूर होवा कहंदी दिल नहीं करता. Oh, cuteness. Again. मर्जी हटाला कहंदी मैं ता हटदी, मैं ही आ पसंद कहंदी जट दी. ना मेरा 24/7 रात रात दी, कुड़ी कहंदे जट बिना मिंट भी नहीं कटदी. So cute. कदे कदे किन्ने दिन क्यों ना दिसे वे, दिल ना लगे जे तेरा मुंह ना दिसे वे, मेरे कोल आवे किसे नू ना दिसे वे, मैं ना रहा जे मैनू तू ना दिसे वे. So cute. Keep me awake. Keep me awake till darkness turns into day. I don't care about time. Just give me a night. Or making a painting. I cannot say put two faces. Put your heart into mine. Just give me a night. Symmetry. Swad aa gaya. Swad. Clearly, it's a new phrase I've learned. But yeah, I'm telling you, Ed is now just one song away from his Aadhaar card. Should we listen to it again? Okay, I'm going to listen to it offline because I have other things to record. But like I was saying earlier, I wish they had done an original track together. Maybe that's the next natural step, है ना? And with that hope and with that wish, I will end this here. Punjabi pop for the win. And this one's going on loop. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
तेरे तो दूर होवा मेरा दिल नहीं करदा, मर्जी हटा ला कहंदी मैं तारी हट